Hello everyone, my name is Emily Scott Nurkonila with my student number 241304-073, and today I am presenting my final project for the Advanced Reading course. For the project, I have chosen to analyze the argumentative text titled Linguistics Discrimination Still Lingers in Many Classrooms, written by Brenda Alvarez and published by the National Education Association. This article discusses a very important issue in social politics, how language is connected to power and equality in education. In this video, I will break down the text structure, share my critical analysis with three key questions, and conclude with my personal responses. Begin with text analysis. The main idea is the central argument of this text is that forcing minority students to abandon their native languages creates a harmful school environment. The author argues that schools should support multilingualism instead, which actually improve academic success. The purpose of this text is persuade educators and policymakers to stop linguistic discrimination and protect students' diverse language backgrounds. To prove this, the author uses two main types of evidence. First, she shares historical context about how native languages were erased in the past. Second, she highlights modern brain research showing that bilingualism actually strengthens cognitive skills. The text uses a classic argumentative structure. It starts with an introduction about the benefit of languages. Then the body paragraph presents the problem of discrimination and historical background. Finally, it ends with a call to action arguing school to change. Next, to demonstrate my critical reading skills, I have developed and answered three critical questions about this text. Does the author background introduce bias? The answer is the author worked for the National Education Association, an organization that protects public school students and teachers. Because of this, she naturally has a strong perspective favoring student rights and equality. While this creates a specific focus, her arguments remain highly credible because they are backed by scientific brain research and historical facts. Question 2. How effectively does the author connect historical discrimination to modern day policies? The answer is the argument is very strong. By showing that historical English-only rules were used to control minority groups, she helps the reader see that modern language restrictions in classroom are not just about grammar, they are about power and social control. Question 3. Is the text effective in changing the reader's mind? Yes, it is highly effective. It balances emotional real-world stories of students feeling ashamed of their language with logical data about the benefits of bilingual education. Moving on to my personal response, reading this text made me realize how deeply language is tied to our identity when we judge someone's intelligence based on their accent or dialect. We are practicing a form of inequality. This project also reminded me why critical reading is so essential. Critical reading means that we do not just accept words on a page. It allows us to look beneath the surface, identity biases, judge the strength of an argument, and understand how language can be used as a tool of power. Without critical reading, we cannot truly understand complex social issues. In conclusion, Brenda Alvarez's article is a powerful reminder that language's diversity should be celebrated, not punished in education. By analyzing this text, I have learned how to look at arguments more deeply and evaluate information more critically. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation.